So how do you text privately on the iPhone? Let me show you some possible options which you have. Let's get started. If you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials which I have planned and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, the first option is to just protect your messages to begin with. Like hold down on the messages icon, click on require Face ID, and it just means that you will like lock your messages app. It will use Face ID, of course, and as well the passcode which you use to unlock your iPhone. So, it kind of depends on how you want to use it, but that's like one way of locking your messages app. But personally, I believe that there are like even better ways to text privately because you have some features within some different texting apps. For example, a lot of people use WhatsApp because you can use your phone number and it's like a very popular service. And within the app, you have the ability to swipe left on a chat, click on more, and then tap on lock the chat. And it's going to keep it locked and hidden away, right? So you will just lock it like that and it will be not even visible, like the WhatsApp behaves completely normal like that. And you can go to your locked chats like this, start browsing or whatever, but it will still be, in that locked section. So you can always just unlock it and move it back if you wanted to. But, that's like a great feature, which has recently been or made available on WhatsApp. So if you do not have it, make sure you update your WhatsApp app through the App Store. But that's how it works. This is my recommendation. Let me know if you wanted to do or what exactly you wanted to do and if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.